This is Mini Album Scraps, and I'm going to share with you today the Tri-Fold Folios that some of the ladies over at Mini Album Scraps created. I want to put each one back in their bag before I move on to the next one, so it may be a long video. I just don't like to get things mixed up. And Allison, I'm putting your card in the dish with Inez's and Kathy's. So she has her string connected through the back. Kind of clever how she did that. So this tutorial is by Your Book of Memories. What's her name? Forgot, but Your Book of Memories is her YouTube, and we use a lot of her stuff because she's a great teacher. So here's her pockets over here, and here's her waterfall. What's her name? What's her name? I can't think of it. Oh, this is a nifty little twist. The waterfall folds over, and she's got more pockets here. And then I think this is her own little creation. And then oh, you know what? I think she did Your Book of Memories. I can't think of her name, so sorry. I think she did like an extension, and I know she did these two pockets. First she made the album one way, and then she added these pockets, so she may have added this too to her tutorial, to like an addendum to the first tutorial. I've done the regular album, but I never did these extensions. All kinds of little things on this one. I haven't seen one of these completely done with the extensions. So I don't think this time we have any folios. Julia might put one up, but we were just having a hard time getting people to sign up. Been kind of slow, and I'm sure it'll get slow around Christmas. So this was Allison Anderson, and next up is Chrissy Townsend. I'm sure it'll get slow for Christmas. So we have October's due and December's due, and then we're done for the year, and it'll be a new year before you know it. This is pretty, very pretty. I think I have a little bit of this paper. Now this is the one without the extensions. So this doesn't pop open and these don't open. This doesn't flip over and these don't open up. This is the one that I've done. Very nice work. Very nice work, Chrissy. Very neat. This is graphic 45's paper. I'm trying to remember the name of it. Masquerade, is that it? Very pretty. There's her little book that opens up. A Midnight Masquerade. Oh, look at the little butterfly she's got there. That goes perfect. That goes perfect. And look at this. This is pretty cute too. She really picked up on the colors. Thank you, Chrissy. Oh, sorry. All right. This one's really cute too. This is by Shanda Scruggs. I don't think she swapped with us before, or she did. It's been a long time. This is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Beautiful. Look at the little scissors here. It's cute. Let's look at the back. Paper's pretty. Alright, she got her little name down there. So, these are tags. She did all the doodling. My doodles would be such a mess. Here's her little folio, or her waterfall. This part. Here's her little book. Very pretty. I like this paper. So I like anything vintage with the sewing theme I really like too. So it's got both. It's a beautiful cover. Beautiful. Thank you, Shanda. I'm glad you played and hope you had fun. And next is I think this is Kathy Kymegs. She's the one that did that cool potion bottle for our drawing for Halloween in October. Make sure you check out that video. Somebody had this paper and it is so pretty. I saw something done with this paper. It's very pretty. Wasn't this one of those, what do you call them, hot buys or whatever? I'm thinking it is at Michael's, because somebody had it and I said, wow, that's so pretty. Very nice work. She filled in all of her tags. This is very pretty. Maybe she got a little bit fancy. Oh, she made a book. How nice. Cool. Never be like the rest of them. Beautiful Kathy. Isn't it? Is it kind of true? I think we kind of like making the folios almost better than albums these days. I don't know, is it just me, or I'm making an album right now, but seems like the folios are a little faster and still get to do all the pretty stuff. So that's by Kathy Kymeg. And this last one is by Rebecca Hurley. And she has a big old bag of goodies for her partner. It's always fun when somebody does that, sends along some goodies, I think. So I'll probably swap the two Halloween ones because, I'll tell you why. Because one time we did a swap and a lady left our group, it's been a long time ago, because she got back a Halloween album. It was an itty bitty, I think. And I felt so bad because I didn't know that she didn't celebrate Halloween, or she didn't, you know, I didn't know. And anyway, she got back an album like that, and so she quit the group. And I just thought that was really sad, and it made me sad because she was an excellent crafter. So, you know, if that ever happens and you guys, like, it's Christmas time and you don't want a Christmas album, just send a note with your saying, you know, I don't participate in Christmas or whatever. It's no big deal. Just tell me and I'll make sure you don't get, or do my best to make sure you don't get an album like that or something. Of course, I would never do that on purpose and use something that, you know, is against your thoughts or beliefs. So I'll probably switch the two that are Halloween, and that is my reason why. I'm not sure yet, because I think I know all these ladies except one. I don't think. Anyway, it's a little piece of trivia for you. So here's her album. Look at all the tags. Kinds of cool tags. Rebecca used to swap quite a bit, and she got busy. So that's by Rebecca Hurley. And that is it for the Tri Fold mini albums. Thank you very much.